Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the summer page kits that I have put together to play with during this series, which is through the seasons, where we pick some papers that we play with for summer. It'll be for June, July, and for August. And so this kit, it's a little bit large, but you'll see that it's going to last us for 3 months. And obviously with the flexibility of being able to bring in anything additional that we want from our stash. These that I'm going to show you today are ones that I have matched up with photos. So they are literally just, and I apologize for the glare, they are page kits. So it's just the paper, and this will probably be a 1 or 2 page layout. And that's what most of these will be. And I apologize for the glare. Let me just try to shift my lighting here just a smidge. And so this is one. And I will have some. Will I have some here? No, I can't remember. My previous video to this one, I believe was my where I had kind of collapsed my 49 and Market to kind of be one large kit that I'm going to be working with. So I do have that kind of set off here to the side. So I will also have these available. This particular one is a scrap room kit. So it has various, these I know I put in for my stash, but it also comes with these and the embellishments. And I've matched it up with photos again, because this is one that I work, but I am finding that particularly the summer, because it gets a little bit hectic, I tend to work a little bit better with kits that I have kind of thought through. So this is one that I have put together, just these 2 papers. I do have some white cardstock. Yep, I have some white cardstock in here. I just made 1 page kit because I also don't want to be super regimented about the order, the chronology of the trip. So I am I'm allowing myself to kind of move around. So it's another page kit. And I will say the reason why I chose to kind of concentrate on travel photos, obviously I can pick whatever I want. A lot of folks travel a lot during the summer, but I have an overabundance of travel photos from travels from last year. So I need to get those. I need to get going on this. I don't think I've picked papers, but I thought the 2 separate, 2 or 3 separate paper photo bundles that I've put in here, or that matched in here, I would work really well with these types of papers and colors in the collection. So this one, I don't have page kits just yet. This one, it is a collection, but I think I only put together 1 page kit for these photos. And I do have embellishments somewhere in here for this. And the pack here, the previous collection just has a sticker. Yeah, here they are. Let me just show you the Minté. So I have the paper elements, and I also have the die cuts. Okay. For travel photos, for me, this is just a kind of a placeholder. And I bring in my pocket pages, because when I have an excess of photos, I always kind of pivot over to pocket pages. And let me show you what else I have here. All right. I don't know if I will play with these, but I thought I would bring in some stencils. There are a bunch of different ones here. If you saw my layout share, this is the stencil I used for the last layout share when I used some of the 49 and Market papers. Here's old Tim Holtz, and these are from, oh, I want to say, is it Hip Kit or Scraptastic Kit Club? One of those many, many years ago. All right, so I have those, and then I have these. I went through all of my travel stuff, and some of these are excess things that I have from other collections that I have in my stash. Some of them have just been living in my travel embellishment folder. So I would probably, once I get going on these, I will probably just dump these larger die cuts. And then obviously separate them by the ones that are like puffy or they're thicker, like they're foam backed and all of that. But I have gone ahead and gone through them. Here's like these old Jolie's Boutiques. These are some flat stickers from a collection that I got rid of. Here's some more flat elements, just a bunch of assortment. Here's one that I thought I might try to use. Wide open spaces, wide ocean spaces, maybe color that. This is from leftover from the Biggie Bootin', oh, what is it called? Where to Next. This is the papery pack, if I'm not mistaken. And I've got some arrows with some maps on them. I've got this one from Crate Paper. These are puffies. Got a couple of other Jolie Boutiques I might be able to use. This is an old Heidi Swapp, very travel oriented, so I brought those in. I have many different colors of the 49 and Market, the vintage bits, the Brabant transfers, so I may try to use some of those. This is new to my stash. This is the Word transfer, so this is for one of my newer kits, but I brought that in because, oh, here's another one. This is another Brabant transfer, so brought all of the Brabants in. I did go through some of my stash, and I did pull out some of these smaller pieces of paper that I may be able to use for matting or just to be able to tuck. I do have the Safe Travels Simple Stories chipboard stickers, so I thought I'd bring these in. This is the one that goes with the Where to Next for the Biggie Bootin', so I have some of these stickers, and this is also from Biggie Bootin'. If I'm lucky enough to go through and use up the page kits that I have, I do have some on reserve over here. So I'm gonna, that's what you see over here. So this is what I have left over from the Biggie Bootin' scrapbooking cards today, the class from last fall. So I have that I can play with. I have brought in a number of just different cardstocks and pattern papers that I want to just have handy. I have brought in some mostly scrap room kits, I want to say. But these, why these are separate is because I have not matched these up with photos. But they're there kind of on the side as a reserve. So this is the Let's Go Travel. I won't go through this since I haven't done page kits, but I'll just show you kind of the elements. Here's another one. This is Photo Play. This is Travelogue. I thought these would be fun. This is Photo Play Lemon Twist. Oh no, Fresh Picked 2. These might be, I thought this would be fun to document some of the photos from Italy. And then this one is from Simple Stories. This is newer to my stash, yeah, May 2024. It's called Pack Your Bags, and it's another scrapbook kit. So these are kind of just sitting on the periphery, but the main focus, obviously, is going to be these for now. I also have, so here's a bunch, and I also have the 49 49 and Market page kits that I put together. So those are also sitting kind of on the side in the reserve in the event that I can pull from there, match some additional photos with those page kits and bring them in as part of this. So if you're interested in seeing some of the page kits, I did quickly kind of go through my papers in the last video. I'll try to remember to have that linked, or you can just go to the previous video before this one, I believe. It'll be labeled for the 49 and Market. You can click on that and you can see me go through my collections and start to make some kits. Oh, I'm trying to get rid of the glare for you. There we go. It's a little better. And yeah, I think that will, you know, the summer tends to be, like I was mentioning, a little bit busier. So I think if I go through all of these, use them all up and make a dent, I can always kind of reset, right, the kit and add and grab a whole nother kind of stack of photos and start going through them and making page kits either with the scraps or what have you, or with the other page kits that the scrap room kits or any of the 49 and Market page kits that I previously pulled. So that's it. Hopefully we get we also make a dent in these embellishments, because they have also, most of them, not all of them, but some of them have been sitting in my stash for a really long time. So I'm hopeful that I can even pull from them for other you know, other collections. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and, particularly for the die cuts, the ones that I want to try to use up, I'm gonna try to just pull them into like a little container, so I have them and I can just ruffle through them as I'm creating the pages, in the event that I need anything to be able to tuck and to, you know, kind of put some grounding elements. So I think I will go ahead and do that. So I hope that you will come back and you will join me as I walk you through, and hopefully I'll be able to share very soon what I have been working on and finishing up in terms of layouts. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Until next time, bye for now.